Well, hello. I'm just gonna describe how Steven tried killing my legs. So we started with lateral band side steps. I was tired. So now I'm like, I have to do the other side. So there we went. I could feel it on my glutes. And then we transitioned into the sled pushes. This is the first time I was doing this workout and the sled pulls. So as you can tell, I'm not the greatest at it, but here I am learning. Then we did the hip thrust with a band and a medicine ball, and then we did the single leg hip thrust. I was struggling on this one because I have no balance and trying to do it with one leg. Yeah, intense. And then we did the kettlebell RDLs. I like how my butt looks here. I don't remember how many we did, but it was a good amount, and I really liked how I felt afterwards. I definitely felt a pump. And here we are doing walking lunges. This is a really hard one to do for me, especially because I haven't worked out in a while at that point. So getting back into balancing, so this was day one of my workout journey again after a few months of taking a break. So then we did reverse lunges. I was getting assisted by the wall because, like I said, it was really difficult to keep my balance. Then we have seated squats. He was making fun of me because I was not doing them right. My I don't know, my body's weird. But it was funny. And I was able to get better. I'm still getting better. Now we have hip thrust again with a hole. I have weak hips, so this is great to get the area strong again. Actually, my chiropractor also told me to do this once, so yeah, try it. And then the last thing I did was the Stairmaster. I think we did it for 20 minutes and I died. But like I said, this was the first time doing the workouts from taking a long break. And that's it.